Have you been continuously on laptop for long hours?
Or have you been lying all day in this awkward position flipping through Netflix channels?
Or have you been spending too much time on your mobile?
Did you know that doing all these for long periods of time could give you a heart attack?
Oh my god. What?
Yup, with a host of other problems like neck pain, back pain, anxiety and grogginess, diabetes, to name a few. Don't you worry, because we are there. Hi, I'm Mayur.
Hi, I'm Navya, and today we are here to show you 5 exercises
That will help you forget about all these problems. So, let's begin. First up is the scapular shoulder squeeze.
Interlock your fingers at the back of your head as you see. Keeping your shoulders loose, try to meet both of your elbows in front of you. This stretches your shoulder blades or scapula. Perform this exercise 2 times per day.
Spinal twists promote good digestion and encourage spinal mobility. Twisting postures help tone the belly, massage the internal organs, and can help relieve lower back pains. Often performed towards the end of a sequence, this pose is simultaneously relaxing and invigorating.
Push-ups exercise helps you build strength not only in your chest area, but it works really well on your back, arms, neck and core areas too.
You can even try doing them leaning against the wall. Place hands against the wall, shoulder width apart and elbows straight. Slowly bend forward and back as shown. Do this exercise 10 times with 3 to 4 sets.
The next exercise is the Superman's. No, we're not asking you to fly with a cape. Lay face down with arms outstretched. Raise your hands and legs 4 to 5 inches off the ground. Hold for 5 seconds, then return to your starting position. Repeat this 10 times.
Alternate this with the swimmers. Lift your right hand off the floor and at the same time lift your left leg off the floor. Hold for 5 seconds and return to the starting position. Repeat this exercise for the opposite side. Last is not an exercise but a good habit.
We suggest you do not do these activities for more than 45 minutes continuously.
Instead, we suggest you take a break after every 45 minutes, walk around or do some stretches. But before you go, here are some diet tips for you.
Include these in your daily diet. Have fruits first thing in the morning.
And include a bowl of nuts daily in the evening. Now for a quick recap of all the exercises that we've shown you. Hope you guys enjoyed and start to follow the same from now on.
So stay safe, stay healthy and stay fit.
Until next time, where we're going to show you more exercises which you can easily do from home, be sure to be tuned into Easy Peasy Home Workouts. Bye.